Ben, all about Ben.
Okay, Ben Vereen,
Yes.
famous actor and humanitarian. Your mother worked doing costume work for theater.
Well,
Did she bring you to theater?
No. That story's wrong.
Oh, yeah.
My mother was a person who worked in a factory as a maid and had a dream for her son. Yeah.
Oh, did she encourage you?
Well, she encouraged me when there was, during that time was what we call talent scouts, it's tokenism, and it was how the African American movement was beginning to happen. It was always been happening, but it was going to get a lot of noise and a lot of press, and so a lot of the white merchants wanted. And so we'll take one so they don't break our glasses, break the window. And so I was a part of that. Man saw me on the street and said, "That kid," and I went to a studio.
You were a token?
Well, yeah, in those days it was called tokenism. Tokens.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And we got to be careful because if we're not careful, it'll happen again.
Well, there's a big problem now, which I wanted to ask you about. But I want to ask you, how did you like transporting to the school and high school on the subway? Did you take the subway?
Oh yeah, I loved it.
You loved it.
I loved it.
I was from Brooklyn too. Okay. What do you see about the future of arts in public schools?
We're in trouble. That's why I started the health initiative in San Diego to get kids who do not have the arts an opportunity to come to my awards, Ben Vereen Awards, in San Diego by writing essays dealing with diabetes, with obesity, with low self-esteem, with bullying, and they get $500, the best ones, and they get to come and hang out with kids in the arts. We're in trouble. We're in trouble. And once again, people we hire are telling us what we're going to do because they're watching the gates. And then we hire them, and yet still, it's not, they're doing what they have to do. But we as a community, we must come together and support the arts for our children, because the arts is our culture. And if we don't support our culture, we're non-existent. Any society, any civilization without culture does not exist.
Well, yeah. What percentage of actors actually are doing big humanitarian stuff now?
I think a lot. We're all trying. We've been blessed to be in this position, and you as a society has said yes to us. Our job is to be of service to you. That's why you support us. That's my theory. I can't say for everybody.
Do you have any opinion about the police and black men?
Yeah, it's got to stop. It's got to stop. It's tragic. That's why you got to come see Hair.
Oh, I saw you in Hair.
No.
Yeah.
You got to see my production of Hair.
Okay.
I'm doing a production here at the Venice Theater that is about all of this. It opens November 9th in Venice at the Venice Theater. You got to come see my production. We're going to talk about that.
Okay. My last question in this segment.
Yes.
Were you on stage naked in Hair?
Well, we're going to stop, but we got to stop it. Yes, I was. Because the body is a beautiful thing. And look what we're doing with it.
See what I remember?
With black men, with white men, with the human race. Look what we're doing. And especially the atrocities that are going down in the streets with all this gunning. And there's something, we got to have some dialogue. We got to stop this. This is not God's work. This is man's foolishness.
Yes.
We need some spiritual enforcement.
And why do you call it enforcer?
Enforcer, because the enforcer is an enforcer of the good, enforcer of love. That's what we're about. Love needs healing.
Okay, thank you, Ben Vereen.
My pleasure.